I want to talk about gear case for inspection, disassembly, and assembly. Unscrew the crankshaft pulley mounting nut to remove the V-pulley from the crankshaft. Unscrew the front timing gear case mounting bolts to remove the front timing gear case. Tap the hydraulic pump drive gear with a plastic hammer from the hydraulic pump to remove it. Unscrew the two idle gear shaft mounting bolts to remove the idle gear shaft and idle gear. Unscrew the high pressure pump gear mounting nut and install the gear removal jig to remove the high pressure pump gear from the high pressure pump. Unscrew the three high-pressure pump mounting bolts to remove the high-pressure pump assembly from the rear timing gear case. Unscrew the idle gear shaft mounting bolt to remove the idle gear shaft and idle gear. Unscrew the oil pump gear mounting nut to remove the oil pump gear. And then, unscrew the 7 oil pump assembly mounting bolts to remove the oil pump assembly. Turn the engine 180 degrees and unscrew the 2 mounting bolts to remove the camshaft assembly. Unscrew the rear timing gear case mounting bolts to remove the rear timing gear case from the cylinder block. Check the gasket for damage. If it is damaged, replace it with a new one. Measure the short and long sides of each camshaft. If the measurement is over the allowable limit, replace the camshaft. Measure the outside diameter of the camshaft journal and inside diameter of the camshaft mounting section of the crankcase. If the measurement is over the allowable limit, replace it with a new one. Measure the deflection of the camshaft. If the measurement is over the allowable limit, correct the shaft with a press or replace it. Install the O-ring to the oil pan. Apply liquid gasket to the mating surface of rear gear case and crankcase. Install the rear gear case to the crankcase while aligning it with a parallel pin. Tighten the rear gear case mounting bolts to the specified torque. Apply clean oil to the camshaft journal. When installing the crankshaft assembly, turn the camshaft to set the piston number 1 at the top dead center. When installing the camshaft, align the installation mark on the crank gear and camshaft gear. Then, tighten the 2 mounting bolts to the specified torque. Measure the end play of the camshaft. If the measurement is over the allowable limit, replace the thrust bearing. Turn the engine workbench 180 degrees. Install the oil pump to the rear gear case after applying clean oil on the inner rotor and outer rotor of the oil pump. Tighten the 6 mounting bolts and 1 nut to the specified torque. Install the oil pump gear and tighten the mounting nut to the specified torque. Tightening to the specified torque should be performed after completely assembling all of the gears. Install the idle gear B and idle shaft to the oil pump assembly after applying clean oil on them. Tighten the mounting bolt to the specified torque. Install the high-pressure pump to the rear gear case and tighten the 3 mounting bolts to the specified torque. Install the fuel injection pump gear from the other side. Then, tighten the mounting nut to the specified torque. Tightening to the specified torque should be performed after completely assembling all of the gears. Install the idle gear A and idle shaft bush after applying clean oil on them. During installation, align the installation mark on the idle gear A and high pressure pump gear. Tighten the mounting bolts to the specified torque. Measure the end play, and if the measurement is over the allowable limit, replace the thrust plate. Install the hydraulic pump drive gear assembly to the rear gear case. Install the gasket to the rear gear case and apply grease on the oil seal of the front gear case. Install the front gear case and tighten the mounting bolts and nuts to the specified torque. Install the V-pulley to the crankshaft, and then install the washer and mounting nut. Tighten the mounting nut to the specified torque. This concludes the explanation of the gear case for inspection, disassembly, and assembly.